I need you to look at your loved one and sing this to them, because tonight is about to go down.
Special request. All the girls from north, south, east, and west. From your body look good, and you know you have the God bless. Brock wide.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Hey guys, it's Savi So Real. If you know what it means, you know what it is. Hashtag vibing with Savi. And guys, today I have a little easy, more special for you. Now, obviously, if you haven't seen, go check out the Stop Asian Hate video. I'll show my respect to you guys. I want to come on a more, let's say, cheeky topic. I don't want it to be all emotional and stuff like that. So I did decide to do Easy More Plenty More because you guys always ask me to do it, and it is a very sexy song by Easy More. But no, seriously, guys, there's lots of puffing in the world, especially with Asian hate right now, and it's a thing where I don't want us to be in this sad mood all the time. So that's why I do videos, and I try and, regardless of my problems, I try and be like, you know, cheerful, to try and get you guys out your moods or whatever, no matter what I can do, because there's nothing you can do with whatever's happening on the way. Oh my god, can you see my nips? Okay, fun. I'm so scared. But guys, yeah, I'm gonna be doing Plenty More by Easy Mo. Stay tuned, because I will be dropping his album, but I'll be doing it in like 2 different sections, only because I need to stop doing reactions, because that's not the direction I want to go into. So I'll be doing half of his album today, not today, sorry, later on, so make sure to check that out. Please stay tuned. But yeah, let's get into this one. This one's a very cheeky one, honestly speaking. You guys have told me to listen to it, but I'm gonna be honest, I'm an Easy Mo fangirl, so you already know I know the song. I know all his songs and I love it, but for you guys, I'll react to it and vibe with you. And you hear?
Baby girl, you know what to do. My mood change when I look at you. Every single movement that you do just captures my soul. Babe, I hope you feel good when I'm touching you. Don't you worry, I'll be careful with you too. You're the closest thing to heaven, baby. You are lighting me whole.
Okay guys, I just need to look at your loved one right now. Obviously my loved one's upstairs, he's not really well right now, unfortunately. But I need you to look at your loved one and sing this to them, because tonight is about to go down. Let me stop. No, seriously guys, I really like this song. Easy Mo makes me feel like I wish I could sing. That's the vibe he gives me, because what the fuck? What can he not do?
I just wish we could see each other more often. But I guess that's what makes it sweeter. Cause once we finally do it, we'll do it twice more, baby, I know it.
Sorry, it's too loud.
Time you know we'll lose it. But if we had to more than you get, yeah, 6 strings on my guitar. Feels like 12 miles apart. Count stars at my turn for. Baby, you shine brighter than you play anymore. Ain't no rushing, baby, you can talk a page. Ain't no other girl that I would wanna change. You feel so.
Let me just stop it right here, right? Guys, when I say I'm a fan of Easy Mo, there ain't no cap in that. Like, deep it, I've only found Easy Mo probably like last month or the month before. I think around March, I'm not too sure. But it's a thing where I don't count anyone as my favorite artist. But Easy Mo topped the list. And so obviously Easy Mo is Philippines, and Rema, he's from Nigeria. Those two top the list when it comes to songs, because they can do any and anything. And it's a thing where they don't stick in one category. They try different music. They switch up, and that's what I like. You see, like Drake and all these like famous artists, Cardi B and all this other stuff, it's stuff that I've heard before. Whereas with them, they switch up. They give me something different, and that's what I like. That's why I like Easy Mo so much. You know what I mean? just
So
talented.
happy when you let me kiss your face. You're a blessing to me. Oh, is it okay, baby, if I ask you to stand?
Ooh, stay the night, baby.
Girl, if that's alright, I'ma let you know you make me feel this way. It's like you set me free.
I just wish we could see each other more often. I can't sing. It's just sweet.
Once we finally do it, we'll do it twice more, baby, I knew it. And at the fourth time, you know we'll lose it. But if we had two more than you get, yeah. 6 strings on my guitar, feels like we're 12 miles apart. Count stars on my 24, baby, you shine brighter than you play anymore.
Hello, instrumental. Easy Mills on the track. Oh, so beautiful.
Baby, where's your body, cause the day is done. I wrote this for you cause I feel like you're the one. But if that ain't true, then we'll just have some fun. When it's time to begin. So once we finally do it, we'll do it twice more, baby, I knew it. And at the fourth time, you know we'll lose it. But if we had two more than you get, yeah. 6 strings on my guitar, feels like we're 12 miles apart. Count stars on my 24, baby, you shine brighter than play anymore. We finally do it, we'll do it twice more, baby, I lose it. And at the fourth time, you will lose it. If we had two more than you get, 6 strings on my guitar, feels like we're 12 miles apart. Count stars on my 24, baby, you shine brighter than play anymore.
Yo. See, when it comes to Easy Mill, I just had to give you guys all the songs. You get that? It's the most I can do. Guys, I already told you I wasn't in the best mood earlier because I reacted to Stop Asian Hate. Really saddened my soul to see that we would never get justice, or our families have to go through this. It's a thing where I don't understand why we're getting hate because of our race in 2021. That's what scares me. Is this war ever gonna get better? I'm going to touch on this because I don't want you guys to think, oh, I switched on how many videos and I'm okay. I'm not okay. Obviously, normally when I listen to Easy Mill, I feel better. I feel in a better mood because I don't want to be sad all the time because this stuff goes on every time. Like, I may be in a better mood now, I go on my Instagram, I see something else, and that's the sad thing about it. But guys, I'm so happy that I found Easy Mill, and I'm so happy that I have Philippine supporters because you guys are honestly amazing. Thank you so much for all the comments you give me because you keep me going. Philippines are probably the nicest people I've ever met socially because you guys give me so much support, and I really want to give the same back to you. And yeah guys, if there's anything you want to see that's different, please let me know in the comments below because I am trying to bring away from reactions. But guys, I hope you like the video. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the notification button. It's Sansura. If you know what it means, you know what it is. #ByWipSan.